Hey ladies and gents, it's Debbie Jones from Key Elements Media. Today we have a boat wrap and it turns out absolutely awesome. I love it and I want you to check it out. Thanks. This is the before, and I want to thank Jason Murray for letting me use his garage because unfortunately mine would not fit. Plus he has AC and I don't. It was a hot one, folks. It was 35 degrees and I should have been out on a boat, not installing on a boat. The life of a business owner. And here's a finished product. I wasn't able to record the whole thing, but you get the idea, and it turned out amazing.